Hello, everyone. Good morning. Jai Shri Krishna. So, my name is Dr. Kshita here, and today we are going to discuss about the attributes of number six. All right. So, affirmation for the number six is I want my voice to be heard. Okay. I want my voice to be heard. So, what is the background of number six? The six is a vibration of home, family, and service, also for the love. It's a man who is standing It's a man who is standing by the family circle. Oh, wait. Let me clear. So you can see this is a one, okay? And a man who is standing by the family circle. This is a circle. You can say zero, circle, or whatever you want to call it. It's a number of the regeneration. Everybody has a six sides in their nature. All right, the Pythagoreans call the six, that is a rest and motion. You see the rest page, and this is a motion. Okay, round, round, round. The circle of the six is on the bottom, denotes the womb of the mother. People with a strong six, they love to eat. They are very foodie. Some people are overweight. In this case, the lower circle indicates a full tummy. Okay, a man with a full tummy. Okay, okay, it's a part of a joke. Don't take serious, but yeah, it's a kind of a creativity. Okay. Now, what is the background of six? The lower circle indicates a full tummy. Okay, this is a full tummy. So the those who are born on a sixth day, that is the 6th, 15th, or the 24th, they may have a unusual or the outstanding voice. Okay, and the six is open at the top of the traffic. This they talk well, they sing very well, and they teach also good. They make good counselor for they know just what to say. They are very calm and they're receptive in nature. They have a knack for making people at very ease, and they like to be comfortable and dislike the dressing up. They don't like to get dressed. The six are the artistic person. They like to have their surroundings reflect their good taste, and artistically they are arranged in their favorite colors. So, what is the background of six? Anyone with a six prominent in the net, they enjoy the creative arts. They love the arts. Some make acting their profession. So, you will see the six number in the acting profession. The six is also domestic vibration. They love of home, garden, children, and pets. Word of the six is a cat. Now, the background of the 15. Okay, the 15-6 is a love, home, and a family in a vibration. At one end of the spectrum, there is a caring and loving. Six wants to be very responsible person and to be help on his or her terms only. Okay, if they want to get married, the time they will get married. If we are going to force them, they won't do that. So six are so sure that they are right and everyone else is wrong, and that they will fight for their beliefs. So for them, like, they are only right. So positive words for them: the boy, castle, lady, self, and suit. The negative words that vibrate to the 15-6 force are the battle, okay, the duel, the mean, and a war. They don't like these words, and this is a negative words for them. The background of the 24-6. Enjoy female. So background of 24-6, enjoy female husband, justice, lovable, magic, mature, natural, and nuptial. Nuptial, yeah, it's a kind of the wedding ceremony. Wedding ceremony. And share, succeed, wealth, artist, costume, dress, gift, holy, musical, planets, pray, pure. These are the words for the 24-6. Now, the background of the 51-6, collaborator, foolishness, historical, horrible, negative words, that is a prisoner for the six number. Okay. And the creativity, horoscope, individual, masterpiece, expectations, godmother, traditional, the veneration, worship. Background of the 42-6. 42-6, 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. If your life path or destiny number comes on 42, Six, that means elegance, astrology, compatible, guaranteed, investment. The kind, loving nature is apparent in the following: benevolent, cheerful, glowing, and thankfulness. Generalism, announcer, the negative end of the loving, caring, family oriented. 42 6 vibration, that would be the frustrated, neglectful, reclusive, yeah, reclusive, eccentric person. Okay. Ekantvasi, solitude. Okay. Background of the 66 in the following 60 words, you can see the where knowledge and the voice are important. Okay. Like the communication, definition, description, investigator, performance, performer, psychoanalysis, understanding, grandmother, re embodiment, and thanksgiving. These are the words of this 66. Now, background of the 69, 6, 9, 15, 1, 5. So, background of the 69, 156, reincarnation. Reincarnation defined as the rebirth of the soul in the successive bodies. The procreation. The procreation is a physical act that will create the body for the incoming spirit. Those whose name Taurus 6 are artistic workers, teachers, philanthropists, organizers, doctors, and the politicians. And many of our presidents have the six for a birth path, life path number, or the total name number. So, you can calculate your name as per the Pythagorean method. Okay. We need the six for being responsible and caring. Loving and caring and responsible. Three traits are the three traits of the six are very important. Now, the master number three. 3 plus 3, 6. 33, 6. So, the 33 master number is a selfless giving. If your life path, your destiny number comes on 33, that means you are a selfless giving. This is a master number of the spiritual giving. It is above for its benefits of the spiritual needs of others. And the root number 6 is the vibration of the home, the love, the family, service, and the responsibility. It must take its voice heard in its family or in a professional life. No greater love has anyone than to lay down his life for his friends. This is said in the Bible, John 15. The positive aspects are seen in the following 33 words: the ability, angelic, the blessings, inward, the peaceful, the potence, and the unique. A great spiritual gift is the genesis of life. The opposite side of the vibration is a doomsday, holocaust, and calamitous. All are the 33 words that are the negative side of the spiritual. Calamitous, that is a destructive side. Okay. Doomsday, and the doomsday, kind of a judgment day, and holocaust, that is also disaster, a destructive part, catastrophe like that. So, what are the traits of the master number 33? Okay, 33 positive sides are the compassion, deep understanding, empathetic, gentle, kind, loving service, nurturing, instinct, selfless, giving with no thought of return, unpretentious. Okay, unpretentious. Now, the negative side. And unpretentious, a kind of a very simple, sincere person who do not like to show off. Okay, so unpretentious, that is a very simple, sincere person. Negative, burden, careless, sweet tooth. Destructive side, martyr, meddlesome, slave to others, slovenly. Slovenly, that is a lazy, careless, untidy person. Now, what are the traits of number six? The positive traits of overall six number: they adores family, home, children, pets. They are very lovable person. They like garden. They advice givers. Very artistic person. They like to comfort, wherever they are living. Like they like the luxurious places. Cosmic parent. They gives loving service, good education, very important for them. Harmonious, high ideals, honorable, humanitarian in nature, and lawful. Okay, they like to obey the rules and regulations. Musical talent, they have the good voice, and protective, responsible, sympathetic. teacher, true friend, understand. So they are very understanding people. They use their voice in their career. Um, and teaching also their profession, singing, speaking, the good motivational speaker, acting, politics. They wants to nurture everybody. So this is a positive traits of the number six. Now, what are the negative traits? Anxious, bossy, cynical, egotistical, domineering, expect too much of people, easily disappointed in them, false pride, false ego, interfere, meddlesome. Okay, so meddlesome, interfere person, interfering, slavery, and the six often refers to the body of something since Adam was created on the sixth day, and since all the bodies have the six sides. Six refers to the voice because the God spoke for the creation in. So here it is a six sides of the human body. The here it is a interior. This is a posterior. This is a superior. This is a inferior. This is a left. This is a sorry. This is a right. This is a left. Okay, the right and the left, superior, inferior, anterior, and a posterior. Okay, and the all other names that is related to the anatomy of the human body. Okay, this is a lower limb, upper limb, head and neck. Okay, you should remember if you are a medical student. If not, then that's fine. You just need to remember the six sides of the body. Okay, that's why we have the six types of the nature. And if we talk about the hexagonal, how to make the six side, that is called the hexagonal. Yeah, you have to draw the straight lines. Okay, sorry, like this. Okay, so you have to draw the straight lines with same edges. This is a hexagonal. Okay, so it has a same angles, that is a 120 degree. Okay, and the same sides l- lengthwise. Okay, so six refers to the voice because the God spoke for the creation end. So, what is the conclusion? How will you know the whether positive or negative or restrictive side is going on? You have to look at the symptoms, behavior, and the character of a person based on the numerology, based on the medical science, based on the disorders. The symptoms will be different. All right. So, what are the general five remedies for the number six? You have to wear a watch with a golden metal chain. Okay. The six number, start to wear the golden chain and a gifting cosmetics to a married woman or a girl, keeping fresh flowers at the home. Okay. At home or wearing the diamonds can enhance your luck energy of the number six. Okay. So, if you have a missing number of number six, or if you are a six, you should wear the diamonds, wear the golden metal chain, gift the cosmetics, and use fresh flowers or give flowers to others. Okay, and chant the Venus mantra. You have to recite the mantra or to repeat the mantra Om Shukraya Namah, Om Dram Dream Drom Se Shukraya Namah 108 times each and every day to attract the positive energies of the Venus planet. Okay, then wear the white color, pink color, and do fast on the Fridays. Friday worship, the Good Friday worship, or like the Lakshmi fasting on the Fridays. Keep the southeast corner very clean. Southeast corner is the Agni cone or the Venus planet, Venus planet or the fire lord. This direction is for the fire lord and the Venus lord. So you have to keep the this space very clean and tidy and use the direction of your auspicious hope. Whenever you are going out, you should use the southeast corner if you belong to number six. And the sixth phase Rudraksha, ruled by the planet Venus, is an excellent antidote to the balance the energy of the number six. Okay, so this is for the everybody. If you have a missing number six, and if you belong to the number six, 15 or 20, 12, 14 and 20, 15 and 24, then you should do these five remedies. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will do the number five tomorrow. All right. See you tomorrow. And do like, share with your friends and family. And let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye. Jai Shri Krishna.